guys, welcome to our channel. It's Janelle. So today we're going to be playing Don't press the button. I couldn't find it. Don't press the button. Okay. So let's go. So this is like a soccer game. You have to score a goal like it says on the thing. I hate when people maybe look at my salary that I need to survive. Sometimes I need this, but sometimes I need this. It's like play with people. Let's get out. Oh my god. So, wait. Let me go. Get out. I made him move, guys. So he's really slow, so you can't. Ah! We have to make some noise. Yeah! Yeah! No. Stop! Ah! It's not going away! Yeah, I'm not gonna win this. I do not know why they won't go away. It's the worst time to do that. Bro, move! Bro, I clicked. What is this rubbish? Bro. No. Who got higher warp speed? Oh. Okay. Okay, guys. Relax, I'm gonna go over there. Over the headies. I'm trying to save up for the magic carpet, so. Oh, no! Oh my! I was almost there, but my screen just really had to just break. Wait, I'm going this down. Oh no! I almost fell. Stop! Yeah, I finally got it. It was close. Wait. What the freak? Guys, stop. No! Ah! Let's play doors next. Wait, guys, why did I sound like that? Why did I sound like that? Where are they? Where was it? Oh. Guys, give me the reward. Yes, kids. What? Oh, no. No. Ah! Ah! Bro. I hate my life. See how big Hello Kitty in my face. I can't even go. Oh my gosh, guys. If you go down the raft, you're gonna die. Die young. Die young. Till I don't install my singing skills, guys. Anyways, don't die young. I'm just am I bad? Ah! I see this bad. I do not know why I keep screaming. Oh! Guys, I just said that and I just started guys, stop! I'm just scared of, like, I don't want to. Guys, I swear to God, I'm not doing this on purpose. I'm not doing this on purpose. I'm not screaming on purpose. Like, I guess I just have it naturally. And I scream out of nowhere. God, no, stop. Stop! Ah! See how? I said just scream. Stop. Ah! No. No! No! I want to leave so bad. We're gonna play doors next. We're gonna play doors. Yup. We're gonna play doors. Yep. We're gonna play doors. We're gonna play doors. We're gonna play doors. Yep. Yeah. I have to play for 1 minute. Just the end? Okay. Wait. Ah! No, see? Yes, I'm here. I got it. Finally. I got 10. Now we're gonna die young. If you go past this, go right, like, past it. Wait, let me. No! No! Okay. This one is a little bit harder. It gets harder, but the first start it's easy, but it gets harder. If you ever played press the button or even played locked. If you've ever played don't press the button 4 or Roblox, you probably know that. No! Oh no. No! I got it. What? Oh my gosh. Run. Wait, guys. Wait. Get up here. Let's spin the button. What does it even do? Bro. L Z Z L L L L Z L L L. Wait. Oh no, I don't have enough. Y'all, I don't have time. No! Ah! Okay. How do you expect someone to survive that? Okay, 3, 2, 1. I'm so guys. And that's not it. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Fast. I'm red. Go down. Oh gosh. What was there? Should we stay on this one? Or should we not move around? Let's stay on this one for like 50 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. No! No! I almost died. What? Okay. First, we're gonna get to the top. Ah! Oh, God! We're gonna get to the top. Then, what we're gonna do. Then we're gonna fall off so we can refill this faster. Okay, guys? I'll try to scream, but my head was on the water. Wait, that's not actually funny though. I got it on this sleigh. Anyways, I got it at the right time. I'm like I died at the same time. I just ignore me in this. Stop! I'm so laggy. What? What? Bro, I'm so laggy. It's so annoying. Can I go over? No, I can't. Red is red's my team. What does it? Why can you stay? That is so dumb, though. Oh my gosh, money. Everybody, money. Must be funny in a rich man's world. Sometimes this can be really nice. Okay, guys. Oh no, see, I'll try to jump, but I don't stop. But see, I can't even get to the top. Okay, go, and woo. Okay, go, and woo. Okay, go, and no, stop. No. Keep doing the stop. What? No. This is so bomboclat. Can't even do this. I was almost there, but this bomboclat person had to put a banana peel. I hate myself. I hate my life. No. What am I throwing? I don't know what I'm throwing, guys. Oh, what? What the freak? What the freak? Y'all, is anybody leave this game and never come back? Have some Play-Doh, guys. Here's the satisfaction of it. You didn't even hear it. Top of what? Oh. Ooh. Okay. While you guys are waiting, please copy my avatar dance. Okay. Never mind. Did you ever have that one teacher that was so nice to you, but then that one day she yells at you and you never liked them again? Like, I liked this. I don't know if you know the 10 rat people. You took them. You took her away from me. Yeah. Anyways, no, I didn't like. This was only in 1st grade. Okay. So I love Mrs. Hebrew, and this is when we were on the computers and stuff, right? Okay. So then, one day, she got at me, and that one day, that whole time after that, guess what? I never attended those online classes. I'm just kidding. Well, I did attend the online classes, but I really wasn't like, you know, because you can turn off your camera, right? Ah! Now you can turn off your camera, right? And you're doing something you're not supposed to be doing. I would just like I would keep my sometimes I'll keep my camera on, but it will like look I'm looking at her, but I'm not. So yeah, but I was only in 1st grade. In 2nd grade, she was still there, but like I never was talk to her. In 3rd, she started giving me candy, so I'm like, okay. And then 4th grade, she left, which I am in 4th grade right now. Tamarok, bring my friends back. Why did you guys even build that? I don't like you guys anymore. Why did you guys take away my friendly's friends? Like, everybody I know that actually talked to me is gone. And that's not nice. This was meant to be. Was this meant for our lives? For everybody we know, we love, goes, well, they go dead. Crazy? But I mean, and one day, I have a big brain. Anyways, one day, we are going to renew our freedom again. Anyways, what? Okay. But right now, I don't really like Tamarack. Not the people in there, but the people who built it. I don't like you. Why did you build it? Because now I don't get to see any of my friends or anything. And I understand that we had too many students for you, and that you had to make a new school. But took someone else as my friend. There was 600. Now there's like 300, 400. Does that sound correct to you? That means like 300. Yeah. Like 300 people left. To you. How mad that makes me? It makes me very bumbleclaw. And that's not nice. I really thought we could be friends, Iraq. I thought we could be friends when they were building it. But no! You took over my friends. I want to scream. What the? Let me ask. Okay. That was a story time. Then turn to something else. Anyways. Okay, so, well, this is gonna be the end of my video. I'm gonna end with the story time. A very sad one. Well, hope I see you later. Well, bye guys. Love you. Bye.